Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to use your Ancestry DNA kit. So this is what's inside the box. It comes with the instructions booklet. Also, it comes with the collection bag, which you'll put the tube in to collect your saliva. This is actually the tube that you'll have to spit into. And this is the packaging box that you'll have to put in to get your test results. And you'll get your results within 6 to 8 weeks. You'll also receive an activation code that you'll use to make your Ancestry DNA account online, and that will give you an update on your test results. Also receive a tube that you have to spit into, and you have to make sure it's right to the line, and then you'll have to insert the blue liquid, and then you shake it for about 5 seconds, and then you seal it.